Need to fix the Appcapture Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. To begin our Appcapture library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Appcapture library. This library manages the user interface and localized hooks for the Windows game bar, Win+G, and system-level screen recording. If missing or corrupted, the game bar will fail to open, and the system may experience high CPU usage in svchost.exe when attempting to trigger a screen capture. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Appcapture Library DLL and restore stability. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Appcapture Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type /online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Most individual downloads of Appcapture Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Appcapture Library. If your workstation is back online and Appcapture Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.